Snowman? Yeah?
Hooray! Hooray! So, let's draw some of the things that you can see in winter. What fun, said Miffy, and she began to draw. All morning, the children made beautiful drawings. Aggie drew a yellow sleigh. And Winnie drew a tree with snow on it. Melanie drew a hat and a yellow scarf with a green stripe. And Miffy drew a picture of her yellow skis and a picture of a snow bunny. Then it was time for recess, and all the children went outside to play. I'm so excited that I'm coming to stay at your house during the holidays, Melanie said to Miffy. Me too, said Miffy. And on New Year's Day, we can throw a party for all our friends.
What you eating?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs? With what? With what? Ketchup. Is that stuff all over your face? No. What is all over your face? Hot dogs are all over your face. What are you watching? Miffy. Miffy the bunny? And what do we do today? We saw Gigi. We didn't see Gigi. We see Gigi? Yeah, we did. We saw Grandma and Pop Pop. And Parker. Did we go to a parade?
Yeah.
And what do we see? Baba Builder and balloons? And drummers? You tell me, hey Daddy, I'm watching something, buzz off. Okay, look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.